Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you try to purchase app from App Store and you're facing that your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes, then I'll show you how can you get rid of this. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings. So first of all guys, let me tell you that here is the common method. For that you have to go to password and security and just simply have to change your password and try to check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to sign out your account from App Store and then you have to turn off your device at least for the 1 minute and just simply have to sign in again and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you, then maybe your card expiry date is over. If this isn't the case guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to go to media and purchase it, then go to view account, then you have to view your account from here. Now wait some second from here guys. Now here you have to put your password. Now you have to sign in. Now wait some second from here guys because it's loading. Now after that guys, just simply have to go to manage payments option. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to check if you have given correct information, especially for the CVV security code. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go back from here. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to country origin. Now from here guys, wait some second. Now tap on change country origin. Now from here guys, you have to change your country like this and wait some second from here guys. Now here are the terms and conditions, so you have to read it carefully, and if you are agree, tap on agree. Again tap on agree and wait some seconds. And here you have to select your payment method. So I'm selecting at now. Now from here guys, just simply you have to put your billing address. So you can put fake one. So city is required, so you have to put your city name here. Now here you have to put your state. Now here you have to put the zip code of your state. If you don't know about the zip code, just simply search on Safari browser or another browser. In case of mine is 90201, and here you have to put the phone number. So you can put fake one as well. Just simply you have to tap on next, and after that your billing address will be changed and your problem 100% will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.